In this video, I'll show you how to become level 3 trader on Robinhood. By the way, if you live in the US and you want to save money for your retirement, I have a free gift for you later in the video. First, open the Robinhood app on your device and log into your account. Once you're on the main screen, tap on the account icon to open your account menu. From there, look for the settings option and go ahead and tap on it. Inside the settings section, scroll until you find the investing settings area. Tap on investing, and here you'll see several options related to your trading permissions and account features. One of the options you'll see is options trading. Tap on options trading, and this is where you can view your current options level. If your account is currently on level 2, you should see an option that allows you to upgrade to level 3. Go ahead and tap on the upgrade option. Robinhood will then show you some information about the strategies that are available with level 3 options trading. These typically include strategies like vertical spreads and other multi-leg option strategies. Take a moment to read through the information so you understand what these strategies involve. After reviewing the details, Robinhood will ask you to complete a short quiz. This quiz is designed to make sure you understand the basics of options trading and the strategies that come with level 3 access. Simply go through the questions and select the correct answers based on the information provided. Once you finish the quiz, continue through the prompts on your screen. Robinhood may ask you to confirm some details about your investing experience and risk tolerance. Follow the steps and submit your request. After that, you may be asked to verify the upgrade directly inside the app. Once the process is complete and your request is approved, your Robinhood account will be upgraded and you'll have access to level 3 options trading features. Now these days, many Americans are looking for alternatives to traditional retirement accounts. But did you know you can legally buy physical gold coins as part of your retirement savings? It's called a gold IRA, and most people don't even know about it. If you want to learn how it works, I've linked a free guide from Augusta Precious Metals in the description below. It's packed with lots of useful information, so check it out. And also, if you want to learn more about Augusta Precious Metals and how they can help you set up a gold IRA, click the video showing up on your screen to watch a detailed review.